If your video has distracting flicker, especially from lights, screens, or fast-changing exposure, CapCut has a simple fix that can help smooth things out fast. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove flickering from a video in CapCut step by step, so you can make your footage look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to watch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the clip that has the flickering issue. You can do this by dragging your video file directly into the project, or by using the import option inside CapCut. Once your clip is loaded, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start editing it properly. This is important because the flicker removal tool works on the selected clip inside the timeline, not just the media library. Now click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is highlighted, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the video editing controls. From there, go to the Video tab. Inside the Video tab, you'll want to open the Basic submenu. CapCut organizes a lot of its simple correction tools here, so this is the section you need for flicker reduction. Scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Remove Flickers. Once you see it, check the box to turn it on. This is the feature that tells CapCut to analyze the clip and reduce the visual flickering that can make your footage look uneven or unstable. After you enable it, CapCut will usually start processing the clip automatically, but before you let it run, you should choose the right mode for your footage. CapCut gives you two main options here: flashlight and time-lapse. If your flicker is caused by sudden bursts of light, quick brightness changes, or a flashing effect, choose flashlight. This mode is better for irregular or sudden flicker problems. If your footage has longer, more repeated flickers, like those you often see in time-lapse clips or consistent lighting pulsing, choose time-lapse. Picking the correct mode matters because it helps CapCut target the flicker more accurately. Next, adjust the level slider. This controls how strong the flicker removal effect will be. If the flickering is mild, you can keep the level lower so the video stays natural. If the flickering is more noticeable, you can raise the level a bit to make the correction stronger. Just be careful not to overdo it, because pushing it too far can sometimes soften the image more than you want. The best approach is to start moderate and then fine-tune it until the video looks balanced. Once your mode and level are set, let CapCut process the video. Depending on the length of your clip and your computer's performance, this may take a few moments. After the processing is finished, play the video back and check the results. Look closely at the areas where the flicker used to be most visible, and make sure the motion and brightness now look smoother. If the flicker is still there, you can go back and try switching the mode or adjusting the level again. Sometimes a small change is all it takes to get a much better result. Every clip is different, so don't be afraid to test a couple of settings until the footage looks right. And that's it. Now you know how to remove flickering from video in CapCut using the built-in Remove Flickers tool. It's a quick and helpful fix that can save you a lot of editing time and make your videos look far more polished. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next video.